Hi everyone, today I am going to show you my rest of the lab apparatus. This is my reagent bottle used for storing reagent. This is very useful for a chemist. You can just pour the reagent inside it, label it and put the stopper and keep it. No problem. It comes in various shapes and sizes, and one of I have the bigger is here. This is 250 ml and this is my 125 ml. I have stored the distilled water or deionized water. Now coming towards the next, these are my pH papers. These are used to determine the pH. You just have to dip it in a solution and match the color and you will find the pH. And here is my crucible tongs. I like this very much. You can hold it something like this, for example like this, and keep it if it is hot. And here you can place the crucible and now you can heat it over the Bunsen burner. And now this is my cork. This is my one hole cork used to pass the gas out of with the help of a delivery tube. And this is called the litmus paper. This is red litmus paper and this is my blue litmus paper. I will tell you about its uses in the next video. So let me keep it here. And this is my spatula. This is used for taking some chemicals and putting here and there and dissolving also. And here are my ignition tubes. I like these tubes very much. This is the ignition tube. It is used while we are doing lessings test. I will show you the lessing test in my later videos, so please subscribe, share and like this. You can hold it like this and now heating on high flame, and then we will put in water so it will burst. That's why it is called the ignition tube. Now coming towards the next thing, we have here the small petri dish. This petri dish is used for storing and watching the things in chemistry, but in bio it is used for making some means you can say bacteria and storing their cultures and making their cultures. And now here comes my filter paper. This is my filter paper. This you can see. It is a paper which is as useful as everything else in the chemistry. Without this you cannot open a good lab, because you need to collect the precipitate or something. You can make it. I will show you how you can make. Do like this, and then it's very hard for one person to take the camera and do like this also, and you have done. And now you can open it like this, three side one way and one side other, and now pour the liquid in using a funnel and inside it. And now I have a tripod stand. This tripod stand is kept over a Bunsen burner and you can keep anything on it and start heating. Before heating, you need to keep this wire gauze, and it has a white circle around it. This is known as asbestos sheet. This helps in regulating the temperature all around its area and doing uniform heating. Now the most important thing a chemist should have in his or her lab is thermometer. Without this you cannot do distillations. You cannot find the boiling points. It has wider uses. It has a bulb inside it and it has scale up to 110 degree. Here you can see, and from -10. So for today this much only.